How to save draft projects in Reelshot. Working on a video in Reelshot but not quite done. Saving a project as a draft ensures all your hard work is preserved, letting you pick up exactly where you left off. This guide shows you how to save your progress. Many video editing apps like Reelshot automatically save your progress as you work. So simply exiting your project by tapping on X or back arrow saves it as a draft by default. However, it's good to know where to find explicit save options. When you're ready to take a break or move to another project, tap the back arrow or X icon to exit your current editing session. Reelshot will typically confirm that the changes have been saved or automatically save them. Your project will then appear in your drafts or my projects list right here. To confirm that your project is saved, click on the Reelshot home screen or My Project section. Your unfinished video should be listed there, often with a last edited timestamp. Tapping on it will open it right back up, allowing you to continue editing. Never lose your creative flow. You've successfully saved draft projects in Reelshot. Keep your creative work safe. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot workflow tips.